The All About the Eye kit has got 2 products in it, and I absolutely love this kit. First of all, you've got our ergonomically designed eyelash curlers, and then you have your waterproof mascara. So first of all, the one thing that I always do as a makeup artist is curl lashes, because it really helps open up the eyes. So these ones come in your kit, and they're perfectly designed to not damage the lashes, and they gently give a curve rather than giving it a 90-degree sort of bend and crease to it. And it couldn't be easier to put them on. You literally just nestle the eyelash curlers into the eyelashes, and then you just squeeze just a little bit to get a little lift. And secondly in your kit is our lifted waterproof mascara. So why this is good? Number one, it's got a curved brush, so it really nestles into the lashes, so you can really grab each one and coat it with this special formula. It's a special formulation that you can remove really gently with an eye makeup remover. Just let it soak into the lashes, pull it away. But let's see how it looks on Nicola. So as you can see, it's beautifully nestling into the lashes, and they're lengthening. So as you go through menopause, like with your hair on your head, your lashes, they get thinner, they can get shorter, and this is going to maximize your lashes. I use this on my 80-year-old mother. She has watery eyes, and it really does stay put. And it makes such a difference to the eyes, and it really makes the most of every single lash that you do have. So if you've got thinning lashes, if you haven't got the longest lashes anymore, this is genius. So as you can see, I've done both her eyes now, and her lashes are really opening up her eyes using the eyelash curlers to get that opening of the eye, and then the waterproof long wearing mascara that allows the lashes to really be maximized and to stay all day.